I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. A few thunderstorms remain possible mostly this afternoon and mainly across northern and eastern Nebraska, along with eastern Kansas. Areas along and east of a line from O'Neill to Norfolk to Lincoln and Wichita are included in a slight to enhanced risk of severe storms, levels 2 and 3 of 5. After highs this afternoon in the mid-70s to the low 80s, our highs tomorrow cool to seasonal levels in the mid to upper 60s. As low pressure tracks to our south, scattered thunderstorm chances return tomorrow night through Thursday, mostly across Kansas and central and eastern Nebraska, those slightly higher chances favoring Wednesday night. Highs Wednesday and Thursday a little warmer in the upper 60s to the mid-70s. A ridge of high pressure boosts our highs into the 70s for Friday through the weekend. Thunderstorm chances steadily increase over the weekend with the approach of low pressure. The mild weather continues in our long-term forecast. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures this weekend through May 11th likely to stay warmer than normal. In good news for rain chances, above normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through May 11th, especially early next week, but mostly over far southwest Nebraska, along with western and central Kansas. Checking soil temperatures from this morning at 7 and 4 inches deep, the Panhandle had soil temperatures in the low to mid-50s, all other locations in the upper 50s to the low 60s for soil temperatures. Key weather factors impacting the markets include more heavy rain and severe weather across the central U.S. and patches of dryness in Europe, the Black Sea region, China, and Australia. Today, low pressure tracking across the upper Midwest. The focus for significant precipitation with an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain from parts of the Dakotas into northern Minnesota. Locally severe thunderstorms develop along the trailing cold front from the upper Mississippi Valley into the southern plains. Thunderstorms linger through tomorrow, where the concern for severe weather extends from the lower Great Lakes to the southern plains. By the midweek, the tail of the cold front remains active, leading to additional rain and thunderstorms from the southeastern plains into the mid-south and mid-Mississippi Valley. 5-day rainfall could reach 2 to 4 inches or more from central Texas into the lower Midwest. Late in the week, any lingering rain builds into the south and east, while a new round of storminess arrives in the northwest U.S. Across the plains and Midwest, any rain helps with building back low soil moisture for wheat, but also delays planting. Northeast Europe is becoming much drier, while rain early this week in the west builds south and east later this week. The Black Sea region over the weekend saw limited rain, and there is a better chance of more widespread rain this week as soil moisture continues to be very limited for developing wheat and emerging corn. In Australia, New South Wales over the weekend saw scattered rain for drier spots where winter wheat and canola are being planted. Many areas of Australia are still dry, and rain is likely to be limited this week. Central China's key wheat and canola areas are dry, and very little rain is predicted farther north in the corn and soybean areas. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.